Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche in microwave. Gather a microwave-safe pie dish, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, fillings, salt and pepper, and preheat microwave to medium-high power. Beat eggs and milk until smooth, stir in fillings and cheese, pour into dish, and tap out air bubbles. Cover with a microwave-safe lid or plate and cook in intervals, checking doneness with a knife until set but slightly jiggly. Start by prepping fillings and grating cheese while you measure eggs and milk for the custard. Sauté onions or mushrooms and drain any excess liquid to keep the quiche from becoming watery. Mix fillings into the beaten egg mixture and taste for seasoning before pouring into the dish. Gently tap the dish to release air bubbles so the quiche cooks evenly in the microwave without large holes or gaps. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow and bring more easy recipes your way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for comfort that lasts and a lifetime warranty, perfect for busy home cooks on their feet. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting us. Now let's get back to the video. Place the filled dish in the microwave and cook in short bursts to avoid overcooking the edges. Use 1 to 2 minute intervals on medium-high power, checking and rotating the dish when possible for even texture. When the center remains just slightly jiggly, remove the quiche and let it rest so the custard finishes setting without becoming rubbery. Slice carefully and serve warm with a simple salad or toast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.